Rumor has it that which animal race did Albert Einstein say that without it, humans would only survive for 4 years? If you have subscribed to our channel, let's get started. Bees are vital to human life. 75% of agricultural products worldwide are grown thanks to bee pollination. If it weren't for bees, we would lose many food sources such as fruits, vegetables and even coffee. Even Albert Einstein is reported to have said, "If bees disappear, humanity can only survive for 4 more years." If you liked our video, do not forget to like it and express your thoughts in the comments.